We are very happy to launch conveyor type chapati making machine in Softica series with capacity of 1000 rotis per hour. Softica series is featured with moisture locking technology to give extra soft rotis and high pressure blue flame burner technology to give extra puff in every rotis. So let's go and check the working of Softica Canny 1000.
Let's see step-by-step operating of the machine. Put dough ball on the Roti Pro pressing unit, one by one. You can see the pressed rotis are moving forward to the conveyor belt. Now, pressed rotis are coming towards the first conveyor belt to second and third conveyor belt, while simultaneously flipping to get perfect roasting. This furnace-assisted roasting system provides 360-degree roasting to each and every rotis. You can see perfectly puffed and roasted rotis are coming out one by one from Roti Pro. Like all other models of Roti Pro, Roti Pro Canny 1000 is also having food-grade design and energy saving. With all this, you will definitely get 1 year hassle-free warranty, 24/7 international after-sales support, and benefit of worldwide logistic network of Multipro. For more information, do not hesitate to call us on +91 72020 21999 or email us on info@rotipro.in. You can also visit our website www.rotipro.in.